Welcome to my channel. My name is Rowan. Please subscribe. Let's have fun and play. Hello everyone.
So today,
We got
what have we got?
a monster truck.
A monster truck, yeah.
Yes.
So we were sent this monster truck from Rowan Direct. It's an SGILE 1/14 scale RC rock climber monster truck. Is it excited?
Yes. Let's put on my table.
Here we go.
Let's open it.
So while Rowan is trying to get it out of the box, just like to say a big thanks to Rowan Direct for sending us this. Rowan was so excited when it arrived on the doorstep the other day. It just couldn't wait to open it and have a play with it. So yeah, thank you very much.
This is the remote control. This is the monster truck.
Yeah, and it's a 4-wheel drive, which is awesome. Performs well on most terrain. And it comes with a 2.4 gig transmitter, and it's good for about 50 meter range. Also comes with a 2 4.8 volt batteries, which takes about 2 hours to charge, and are good for a decent 20 minutes runtime.
This is extra strong.
It is extra strong wheels.
Yeah.
So do you want to take it outside and
Yeah.
we'll go play with it
Yeah.
and test it out?
Yeah.
All right then, let's go.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
We're going to test the monster truck. In the trees. And look at it. It's so muddy. It's so muddy. Let's have a car wash. Yeah. Daddy, I'm going to take the car to the car wash.
To the car wash?
Yeah.
We'll go give it a clean.
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for the monster truck. Out of 5, how many would you give that?
£2.
You'd give it £2. Now, if you were to rate it out of 5, how fun was that?
This is great. Woo!